Okay, so this is a complete grip. I will show you the 12 basic strikes. Complete grip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's the 12 basic strikes. Complete grip. The first is downward diagonal slash, hitting the face down to the side or to the thigh. Then number 2 is the reverse of number 1, hitting the side of the head down to the thigh. Okay. Number 3 is upward slash diagonal. So upward slash, hitting the knee or the thigh up to the head. Number 4 is the reverse of number 3, hitting the thigh up to the head. Okay, so this is 3 and 4. 5, forward thrust to the body. Okay, forward thrust to the body. Number 6 is cutting across the body. Number 7 is the reverse of number 6, cutting across the body. Then number 8, hitting the crown of the head. Downward circular vertical strike. Okay, so this is number 8. Number 9, upward thrust, hitting the bladder up to the head. No? Here. Then number 10 is the reverse of number 9, hitting the body up to the head. No? Like that. Okay, number 8 is hitting the crown of the head. Downward vertical strike. Then number 12 is forward thrust to the head. So that's the 12 basic strikes. Okay, so this is a combination of 1 and 2 strikes. Downward diagonal slash. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, the angle of attack is X. Okay. So that's combo 1. Basic combinations 1. Combinations number 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's your second combination. The upward slash, hitting the leg up to the head. So that's a combination of 3 and 4.